Assalamualaikum class 7. How do you do? I hope you all are getting better. In this lecture, I am going to start a new chapter which name is the Amar's Cafe. This is the fourth chapter, fourth and last chapter, which will be done in first term, or you can say midterm. And after this chapter we will be covering poems. So let's start our lecture with the name of Almighty Allah, the most omnipotent and omniscient. So try to pay attention on the lecture. The name of the chapter is Amar's Cafe. So this is the story of a man whose name is Amar. As you can see in the picture of a cafe. So I am going to read a line of each paragraph. So try to be focused. The plot of land stood adjacent to the park. A building had once stood on the plot, but now there was only a heap of rubble. Actually, there is a plot which is near to the park. एक पार्क के करीब ही एक प्लॉट है. A building had once stood on the plot, but now there was only a heap of rubble. And now they are telling you, in that plot, at one time there was a building, but now there is only a heap of rubble. मीन्स एक वक्त था कि जब यहाँ पर इस प्लॉट पर बिल्डिंग भी हुआ करती थी, बट अब वहाँ पर सिर्फ कचरे का ढेर है. एंड द प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड is near to the park. As you can see in the picture, both park and the plot of land are adjacent to each other. On the next paragraph, a large mulberry tree stood in what was at one time the front garden of the house. There was a time when the boys of neighborhood had climbed the branches of the mulberry and delighted in picking and shaping the soft fruit. A large mulberry tree stood in what was at one time the front garden of the house. Means they are telling that when there was a building in the plot of land, so there was also a mulberry tree in front of the plot, and there was also a house which was near to the garden, and there was also a mulberry tree. Neighborhood were used to pluck and picking up the fruits from the mulberry tree. As just you see the parks and garden near to your house, so the children also play and plucking the fruits from the garden, from the trees. So this is the same like in the story of the Amar's Cafe, where the plot of land and the garden are close and adjacent to each other, and there was also a mulberry tree which was also a source of entertainment for the children as well. Amar lived not far from the unusual site. He passed the site by the park every day, on his way to work riding his bicycle. Amar is also lived near to the garden, and he often looked over the garden and the plot when he passed away at his bicycle. आमर भी जो है उसी गार्डन के अराउंड रहता है और वो अक्सर उस गार्डन और प्लॉट को विजिट करता है. एंड ही ऑफन थिंक्स अबाउट द प्लॉट that the place can be rebuilt. अब वो हमेशा उस जो प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड है उसके हवाले से सोचता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ बिल्ड करना चाहिए, यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ इस्टेब्लिश किया जा सकता है. बिकॉज द प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड इज नियर टू द गार्डन, सो ही थिंक्स दैट that place can be rebuilt, as the place can be cleaned and he starts to think that he should open his own cafe in the old plot of land. And he starts to think that he will borrow money from someone and he will open his own cafe in the plot of land. He thinks that he should open his own cafe and he should clean the whole place to build his own cafe. However, the plot of land is totally damaged and is totally disrupted, but he thinks that he should open his own cafe and he can borrow some amount of money from someone. So as you can see in the below picture, Amar is trying to think that he can build his own cafe in the old plot of land. So he talks to his wife that he is going to open a cafe. So let's read this line. I am going to open a cafe, said Amar to his wife one morning as he was preparing to set off for work. So Amar discussed with his wife that he wants to open his own cafe in the old plot of land. So students, we have covered the story of Amar's cafe, but we will be reading its half part. We will be covering its half part in the next lecture. So I have told you this is a story of Amar's. He wants to open his own cafe in the old plot, which is totally damaged and disrupted, but at one time the plot of land was a complete building and the children were used to play near to the garden and the mulberry trees. So Amar wants to rebuild this place and wants to open his own cafe. But we will see in the next lecture that can he build his own cafe in that old place, or he is just imagining about his cafe. So we will look over it in the next lecture. So till that, friends, take care yourself, and inshallah we will meet again in the next lecture. So till that, thank you very much indeed. God bless you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.